Today we're going to show you how to make a deep moisture face butter. The two butters that we need for this recipe are mango butter and yellow shea butter. Mango butter is white, completely unscented, a very light butter that melts quickly on your skin. Yellow shea butter is essentially regular shea butter with the addition of a yellow root that adds antioxidants to your regular shea butter. The oils that we're using for this recipe are almond and rosehip. Almond oil is a very light, high absorbency oil. Rosehip is very potent and concentrated, and it has a beautiful amber color. Then you want 20 drops of an essential oil. You can either use Jasmine essential oil, this unpronounceable essential oil, or Frankincense essential oil. Now you want to combine the mango butter, shea butter, almond and rosehip oil all into a heat-proof bowl, and then you're going to let it melt over a double boiler system. Now that everything is melted and at the same temperature, you want to cover it and put it in the fridge for about an hour until it's mostly solid. Now that it's mostly solid, you want to remove it from the fridge and you want to whip it. After some initial whipping, add 20 drops of your choice of essential oils and keep whipping. And there you go! Your deep moisture face butter is ready to be scooped in your final containers.